Hi viewers, today I would like to show you all how to unlock your iPhone for the first time after a restart using voice control. First, make sure you have installed iOS version 14.6. Now you need to turn on voice control. You can say, "Hey Siri, turn on voice control." Siri will turn on your
Okay,
iPhone
I've
voice
turned on
control.
voice control.
Now if you restart or power off your iPhone, then power on your iPhone. For the first time, your passcode is required when iPhone restarts. So using voice control, you can unlock your phone. Just tap on the screen and say go home. Tap 3, tap 2, tap 4, tap 3, tap 6. That's it. These are the steps to unlock with voice control after a restart in iPhone iOS 14.6 or later. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.